Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar. Welcome to Savi channel, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we are going to discuss about one topic from digital system design from module 2, the binary comparator. So comparator is a combinational circuit which will we use to compare the magnitude of two given number. Okay. So the next first question is, what is combinational circuit? Combinational circuit is a device wherein the output at any instant of time only depend on the present value of the input. Okay. So here what we are going to do here is we'll take two numbers and we'll find their magnitude and try to compare that. Okay. So here mainly we will have two inputs, that is A and B, and we have three outputs. So whenever you compare two numbers, then possibility of three output, it will be less than, greater than, or equal to. That is what we have taken. So, okay, so mainly your comparator we classify into 1-bit comparator, 2-bit comparator, and magnitude comparator. So in case of 1-bit comparator, we'll take two number which will have only 1 bit of value. In case of 2-bit, we'll take two-bit number, that is A will have two value, that is A1 A0, and B will have a value B1 B0. And in case of magnitude comparator, so whenever you want to compare more than 2 bit, we'll go with this magnitude comparator. That is nothing but IC7485. Here also we'll have three output, that is E, A is equal to B, L is nothing but your less than, that is A less than B, G is greater than, that is A greater than B. So here we first will take an example of 1-bit comparator, that I told you it will compare to the magnitude of two 1-bit number. So two table is given as here follows. So A and B are two 1-bit number. So when you're comparing first input combination, that is 0 and 0, both A and B is equal to 0, so equal to will be high. When you're comparing 0 and 1, A is less than B, so your less than value will be high. When 1 and 0, A is greater than B, your uh, greater than value will be high. Okay, this is shown here. Now when both are 1 1, that is it is equal to, equal to will be high. Okay, so we'll, okay, so we'll since we have the logical expression, with the help of this easily we can write the logic diagram. So logic diagram is given as follows. Okay, so easily you can write it. If greater than, it is a b bar, for equal to it is ax or b to the bar. That's why we have used an that's why we have used here an uh, not get here, which will be used to convert the xor value into x naught value, and therefore less than, it is a bar b. So from a bar one connection is taken and b has taken, so that will give you less than value. So next we have magnitude comparator. So 2-bit comparator can be easily drawn on the basis of your 1-bit comparator. In case of 2-bit, we'll have 4 inputs, that is A1 A0, B1 B0, and you have to write 4 input means 2 part 4 input combination from 0 to 15 input combination will have. With respect to that, you have to write the truth table. Okay, that can be done easily. If you have any difficulties, you can write me. So next topic we are taking as a magnitude comparator. Magnitude comparator is a IC7485, which will be used whenever you want to compare more than 2 bit of data. So 2-bit comparison can be done using 2-bit comparator. Whenever you want to compare more than 2 bit, we'll use this IC7485. It is a 16-pin IC, so you can see the pin diagram here. So we have two input, that is two 4-bit inputs, that is A3 A2 A1 A0 B3 B2 B1 B0, and we have three outputs, A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. So one more you can see important thing we have to see here. We have pin number 2, 3 and 4 acts as cascading input. So whenever you are using this, we can compare two 4-bit numbers. So whenever you want to compare more than 4-bit numbers, so we using this cascading input will do that. Okay, so outputs are this from will get from pin 1 5 6 7. Okay, as I told you, whenever you want to compare more than 4-bit, we can do that. We can cascade one more 7485 using the pin number 2 3 and 4. So truth table. So you can take any two 4-bit combination and we can compare it. So in the first case, I have taken 1001 and 011. So obviously, first one is 9, second one is 6. It is less than condition. Second is 15 and 12, greater than condition. Third one is 5 and 5. It is equal to condition, and again fourth one is greater than condition. Okay. So with this, you can easily understand. So as I told you, these two are input A and B. A belongs to A3, A2, A1, A0. B belongs to B3, B2, B1, B0. This is about all about your comparator. So comparator is a combination circuit which will use to compare the magnitude of two binary inputs. Okay. So so we have discussed here about 1-bit, 2-bit, and magnitude comparator. If anyone has any doubt, they can write me back. Thank you for spending your time.